Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a bit sad because I have an appointment with the real soon and I'm saying goodbye to my Michael Kors handbags. I know this is such a hard decision to make because if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I have this bag since maybe 7 years ago. And when I was in college, Michael Kors was the brand because, of course, I couldn't afford any kind of the luxury handbag like a Chanel, Louis Vuitton, or Hermes. So, you know, like Michael Kors was like the bag or like the brand that I absolutely love. Right now, I have, 4 bags in my collection and I decided to let go 3 of them. I don't feel like I will ever, carry them out, and I feel like I outgrown the brand. And although like each of these bags carry like a sentimental value to me, I feel like it's better to just let go, say goodbye to them, and perhaps they can have like a new mom who will love them as much as I did before. So before I let them go, I thought it would be helpful or like meaningful to do a review video to share with you my handbag collection journey, because of course like I couldn't afford Hermes in the beginning. So I gradually built up my handbag collection, and I just want to share this journey with you so that like for those of you who maybe are still on a budget and maybe you couldn't really afford like a Chanel or Hermes at the moment, it might be like a inspiration for you somehow. I don't know. I think my first ever handbag from Michael Kors is this gray color Satchel Bag. I think they discontinued this design, but I felt like this is so versatile, super handy, and I used this a lot when I was in college. You can see like it has a lot of like different compartments inside of this bag. And I use this to carry my notebook, my laptop, and I just carry it to like all the classes that I go to. I think still like even today, it is a pretty, good looking bag. And I feel like for young professionals, you can also like carry this to work. So you can kind of like keep it on a lower profile. And I feel like my love for Hermes Birkin started from this bag. And then I just realized recently, because when I compared this bag to my Birkin 25 that I recently scored from Hermes, you can see like they have like very similar design. So I guess maybe Michael Kors got some inspiration from Hermes, and that's why they look so similar. And I really like this kind of like tote bag look. And of course, like although like now I can afford the Hermes, I still remember how I felt when I first got this Michael Kors bag. They are definitely in different leather. So for my Hermes Birkin 25, it is in the Togo leather. And for the Michael Kors, I think it is in this famous like Saffiano leather. So this is really like, durable, and it's really easy to like use the leather, and then you don't really care, kind of worry about it getting dirty, and especially with the darker color. So it's how interesting, like years later when I finally like scored this bag. Now looking back, I know like where, my love for Birkin like originated from. So cool. So that's the first Michael Kors bag that I got for myself. But after I got this bag, I feel like it's a bit too big, or, like not casual enough if I were to go out with my friends, or like, go on like a trip over the weekend. So that's why I bought something exactly the same. So this is the same design. This is also like the Satchel Bag from Michael Kors. And it's just like in a smaller size. So if you can look at them like side by side, I believe like this gray color bag is in the medium size, and my red color bag is in the small size. And then so I even like carry this bag to Taiwan, to a lot of places. I carry it to Marrakesh as well. So it's been to so many places with me. I really like the true red color. It's just like a very cute pop of color. And moving on to my next Michael Kors bag, it is this pink Cutie. So I remember I got it like around like Valentine's time, maybe like in 2016. So this is already like 5 years old, almost. And I also like bought this like heart-shaped charm that goes with this bag. I think it's still like a really cute bag if we look at it today. And it is also like a crossbody bag. And similar to like this Satchel bag, they always come with a strap. So you can either like wear them like on one shoulder, or you can wear it as a crossbody bag. So either way works. And it's very interesting because like looking back, I realized like Michael Kors was pretty smart like adding a shoulder strap to this type of bag, because again, like if you compare it to the Hermes Birkin never come in, you know, any strap for, you know, like attached to it. I know like in the newer design, they design like a kind of a Birkin strap, but I personally find it really ugly. I wouldn't use a strap to carry this bag. I think it's perfect for like handheld, or you just like carry it, you know, on the crook of your arm. So I think this is the best way to carry a Birkin bag. Versus when I was younger, I definitely love the fact that it comes with a strap for the Michael Kors bag, because it's so versatile and it can be hands-free for you, right? Who doesn't love to be hands-free? If you compare these two sizes, you will see like the 25 size is like the equivalent to Michael Kors small size. And yeah, this is where my love for the Birkin come from. It's so interesting. The Michael Kors bag was priced maybe around like 200 bucks. And then the Birkin is like, the 25 size in Togo leather is like retail at 9,650. So there's a huge price difference in both bags. But like functionality wise, I think they were pretty much the same. But I think, as I said in my last video, how I scored my Birkin, I think when you actually like, you know, get your hands on like a Birkin 25 or like a Hermes Birkin bag, you kind of know that you made it. So I think if I look back, my, you know, like 18 years old or like 20 years old self will be really happy to know that like 7-8 years later, I was able to turn, you know, like this, you know, Michael Kors bag into a Hermes Birkin. Yeah, so super proud of myself. But I didn't get this one like, you know, all at once, and it didn't really happen like in one day or something. I gradually like grow my handbag collection from Michael Kors. My next step is actually Louis Vuitton. I still like LV today, and as you know, like I have a lot of like, you know, mini handbags from LV in my collection. So this is the Nano Speedy. So I think this is probably my most, you know, my favorite, most used and my favorite handbag from Louis Vuitton. And I recently added this Palm Spring Mini to my collection as well. So I feel like when it comes to LV, I personally prefer their, you know, like classic style, so the monogram. And I also love LV bags in the smaller size, for like the mini size. And then both bags are super versatile. So for the Nano Speedy, obviously you can wear it crossbody. And for the mini Palm Spring Mini, you can wear it on, you know, one side. It's pretty cool, like even with my outfit today. And then you can wear it, you know, like a backpack. So for me, like I was still like struggling because I got this Palm Spring Mini around the same time as I got my Birkin. I got both from Hawaii. So, you know, like for a little bit, I was debating whether I should return my Palm Spring Mini, because I was thinking to myself, if I got like a Birkin, should I still like, you know, add a Palm Spring Mini to my collection? And then the answer is yes, because I think for the Birkin, yes, you can, you know, wear it out with your Lululemon, with your, you know, leggings and all that stuff. But sometimes, like, for example, when you're going out on a trip, or like when you go hiking, I think the Palm Spring Mini is a really great option for you. And then it can also like be hands-free when you carry this bag out. And I personally just think it's super cute. So I don't want to like let it go. I think this will be, you know, a permanent, you know, bag in my collection, similar to this Birkin 25. Okay, so after Louis Vuitton, my next, you know, luxury brand that I explored is, of course, no question, Chanel. So this is my first ever Chanel bag. I know it's like super popular today, and even like if you were to buy it today, you need to pay a premium because this is the super, you know, like rare mini, rectangular mini, and then in the caviar leather. I know, although like they still introduce like, you know, mini size classic flaps every season, they no longer have it in the caviar leather, which is like super doable. And I have this bag for 6 years already, and it still looks pretty much like new. God knows how much I use this bag. I use it so much. It was, you know, the graduation gift from my parents, and I absolutely adore this bag. But to this day, you don't really see any scratches or any corner wear. It is just like the perfect bag. Even today, it is still my perfect, you know, favorite bag from Chanel. And then the next Chanel item I added to my collection is this Chanel Le Boy. Again, I know now Le Boy is not as popular as the, you know, like the classic CF or like the classic flap, but look at the color. I know I say that in my previous video. I fell for, not for Le Boy, I fell for this color. And also this is in the caviar leather, so it is super durable. I got this bag for like, you know, like for my switching job gift that I rewarded myself this bag because I got into my dream company, and I still remember like feeling so proud when I, you know, like purchased this bag myself. And although like I think retail wise you don't get too much money back if you want to like resell it, but I think this will be also like another forever piece in my collection because yeah, it just carries a lot of sentimental value. And I think the white color or like the beigey pearl color is perfect for the summer. I can't wait for it to become like summertime, and then I can just carry this out, you know. Oh, it also matches perfectly with my outfit today. Yeah, absolutely love this bag. And as you can see, like I'm a huge mini bag fan. So I have like both my CF and Le Boy in the mini size. And moving on to the next Chanel item. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this bag. So this is like the round clutch from Chanel's 19S collection. And I want to compare this like to, you know, my Michael Kors bag. So both of them are in the gorgeous like light pink color, except for the Chanel round clutch. It has this like iridescent like sheen to it. So and then it's so puffy and so soft. I think the only reason why I will let go this pink bag is because I now have like this pink Chanel bag in my collection, and I think they're so similar. The only difference is I can't fit my phone inside of this round clutch, but I can do that with the Michael Kors bag. But still, I think if I were to only keep one pink bag in my collection, it will be this pink Chanel. And I really love like the champagne gold, you know, hardware, or like the chain that came with the round clutch. It's just like super cute. And then especially like if you carry it over the summertime and matches with your jeans and also your t-shirt, it's just like a really cute accessory to your whole outfit. And after purchasing a few more Chanel handbags, so this is what I got from Japan, from like a second-hand market. And also like this iridescent black color wallet on chain is also from the 19S collection. So I really love Chanel, but that changed after, you know, Karl Lagerfeld passed away. I've made quite a few videos about that, and I started to explore like the ultimate handbag brand, which is Hermes. And if you watch my, you know, unboxing video of this Constance mini, you know, like this is the first Hermes bag that I added to my collection. It is in this gorgeous gold color in epsom leather with silver hardware, and I absolutely love this bag because it's so versatile, and it comes with a strap, and then you can make it a double strap, and then I find it super, you know, versatile and handy when I travel, because you can basically put it in your tote bag and, you know, kind of carry it when you travel. And it's so easy to open and close. And let me show you, like I recently got this like also like the card holder from Hermes. It is in this like, you know, baby blue color. And I really love, you know, like all this color from Hermes. And I also like really love the neutral color. So for example, this gold color, it matches perfectly with my belt. This is their newer design. This is called like the Pop H belt from Hermes. And after I got my, you know, Constance, I started to like dream about like a Birkin, and luckily I scored my, you know, Birkin 25 pretty soon after I got my Constance mini. And I need to like stop buying more bags from now, I think, because I feel like super lucky growing my collection from Michael Kors all the way to Hermes. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up really soon, and I know sometimes around this time, people will compare or kind of compete what kind of like luxury handbags you get gifted from your boyfriend or husband. Although it feels great to get like gifted any of like the Chanel or Hermes, any of these luxury brands, but I personally believe it feels the best if you can buy these bags yourself with your hard-earned money. And then I still feel like the excitement I had when I, you know, like purchased these bags. And as I mentioned in my other videos, I feel like I made it when I purchased this Birkin 25. So definitely like this is just like my journey, my personal experience. I hope this video will help kind of like motivate or inspire folks who might be on a budget at the moment. But if you are into luxury handbags, or if you love the design of these handbags, just tell yourself like you get there someday. I couldn't believe like 7 years ago that I can, you know, afford an Hermes bag. But looking back, I just feel really proud of myself. And although like I said in my previous video, I feel like I would never let go of this Michael Kors bags because it carries like sentimental value. But to be honest, like thinking rationally, if I just, you know, put this bag in my collection and never used it, it would be like a waste of, you know, resources. And imagine if I, you know, sell this bag and some other girl purchased it, I can totally imagine like the amount of joy like it would bring to the new mommy for this bag. And I'm pretty sure like they will love and cherish this bag as much as I did before. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoy me rambling about my handbag collection journey. And if you like this type of video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!